In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a voice to the ElevenLabs Voice Lab. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. First, the very first thing you need to do is open your web browser and log into your ElevenLabs account. You should have your login credentials ready, so just enter those and click on the login button. If you're all set, great. You'll be brought to the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a series of options displayed on the screen. Look for the one that says Voice. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the section where you can manage and add different voices. Now, as you explore this area, you'll see a variety of voice options available. Take your time to listen to a few samples and think about which voice resonates best with what you're looking for. Once you have found a voice that you like, just click on it to select it. This is an exciting moment. You're just a few steps away from having a new voice. Next, you'll want to look for a small plus icon that appears near the voice that you've just chosen. Click on that plus icon. This is the magic button that allows you to add the voice to your voice library. After you click that icon, you should see a message indicating that you've successfully added your voice. That's fantastic. You've made it this far, so now let's make sure everything is working properly. To check your newly added voice, navigate over to the text-to-speech feature within your ElevenLabs dashboard. This section is where the fun truly begins. Here, you'll be able to test out your new voice and ensure it sounds just the way you want it to. In the text-to-speech area, simply type in some sample text, and when you're ready, hit the play button to listen to your new voice in action. Take a moment to enjoy it. It might sound incredible hearing the voice you just added. Congratulations! You've successfully added a voice to the ElevenLabs Voice Lab. Whether you're working on a project or just experimenting, having the right voice can make a world of difference in how your content comes to life. Before we wrap up, remember that experimenting with different voices can be really beneficial. So feel free to return to the voice section and play around with different styles and tones. It's all about finding the perfect match for your needs. If you find yourself enjoying this process and want to learn even more about how to maximize your experience with ElevenLabs, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for joining me today.